Hi guys, welcome to the first video of our brand new channel, Trade Dost, where we talk about money, finance, and personal growth. In this video, we're going to talk about how to earn money online in the shortest time. When I say online, I'm talking about earning money by having access to the internet. So, if you watch Netflix, you should know what this image is from. It's from a series called as Money Heist. Okay, the story is that all of these people who are thieves go into the Royal Mint of Spain to print as much money as they want and take in all the money from there. So imagine you walk into the RBI where the money is printed, and then you can print as much money as you want, and then you walk out from there. Okay, so that would be one of the ways where you can make a lot of money in the shortest time. So the ending of the series, I think they kind of loot approximately 940 million in a span of like maybe 5 days. Okay, so this is exactly what a printing machine of money looks like. Now I've always wondered, what if there is a way for me to do that? What if there can be a money printing machine where I can just go in, print as much money as I want, and get back? Okay, so can we make this a reality? That is a question that I've always asked myself. Okay, so let me play a very small video that shows you on a trade where I put in, let's say, 4 contracts. Now this is oil that I'm trading. Okay, there are 4 contracts, and I don't know if you can see this. It is approximately $40, $80, and let's see where we can go ahead and close this. So this is $120. Okay, it's back to $80 now. Let's see. Okay, if you can see this, it is $120. Okay, now this did not take more than maybe 30 seconds for me to execute this particular trade. Okay, which means that I get in here at this price because there's a lot of buyers and sellers in the market who are wanting to buy and sell, let's say, oil, which is the contract here, and then here I go ahead and buy 4 contracts, and in the next 30 seconds I'm willing to sell it at somebody who's willing to buy at a higher price. So net, if you can look at this, I was able to make $120 in a span of less than 30 seconds. Now, what is this? Is it so easy to make $120 in a span of, let's say, 30 seconds? How was I able to do that? So the answer is stock markets. So this is my home setup where, just like the way I said, I always wanted a printing machine, and then I thought, okay, what if I can have a printing machine, a money printing machine at home? So this is exactly how my setup looks like, and these are 3 different monitors wherever I monitor 3 or 4 different markets based on what the charts are telling me. I go ahead and trade. Now, how to trade, what to trade, we will follow up in the following videos. But then again, I just want to show you the power of the stock market and how it can literally change your life. Okay, so if you look at this, this is a screen from the New York Stock Exchange, and there are hundreds and thousands of companies that trade on every day. And across the globe, there are various exchanges. Every country has their own exchange where very big businesses list their shares, and where people can come and buy and sell shares. Okay. Now, as per the estimate, just the forex market, which is just your forex exchange, that the volume of that is approximately $5 billion that changes hands. Okay, so fundamentally in the stock market, it is super simple. Buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. And that is exactly what you saw me doing 5 minutes back in the previous slide, where I was able to buy, let's say, certain contracts of oil, and then in the next 30 seconds at a higher price, I was able to sell and net $120. Okay, so why stock markets? Why not anything else? Now think of this: if you have to go ahead and start any business, okay, even if it is a roadside stand, you have to invest in something. You have to buy merchandise. You have to find customers. You are supposed to be in that location all the time and wait for the customers to come in and, let's say, buy. Okay, and imagine if you want to scale, that is a different problem altogether. So the biggest challenge of starting any business or to even earn money. So think about it in this way, right? You want to get a very normal job. Ideally, you have to study for, let's say, your school, your high school, your college, and then a lot of times a postgraduate degree. And after that, you might be able to get a job or not, depending on the kind of skills that you have or the interview that you go through. And then it takes several years for you to start making decent amount of money, because the growth is not that great. Now, on the other side, if you want to start a business, one, there is a lot of risk because it is new, and we don't know how it's going to turn out. Secondly, you might also have to employ a lot of other people for you to make the business a success. So one of the easiest way or the fastest way to make good amount of money is in the stock market. Okay, and in some markets we can trade almost anytime across 24 hours. For example, the forex market, you can trade all 24 hours, and the US market is open 5 days a week for 24 hours. And in some markets, let's say the Indian market opens at 9:15 in the morning, and then it ends by, let's say, 3:30 in the afternoon. Okay, so if you understand how the stock market work, and with proper education, it can act as a source of income for the lifetime. Okay, so typically for anybody to become a very successful trader from the stock market from zero, it can take anywhere between, let's say, 3 months to 2 years, depending on how well you pick up concepts and the kind of trainer that you have. Okay, now one of the advantages of the stock market is also that it does not disrupt existing lifestyle. So you can continue to do whatever you're doing, and in the meanwhile you can continue to learn about the stock market and then go ahead and start trading. So all we need is basically a computer with internet connection to trade, and sometimes just your mobile phone is enough that has internet connectivity, where you can go ahead and trade no matter where you are in the world. That is the power of true freedom. Now, one of the reasons why the stock markets exist, so let me give you a very small example of what exactly are shares. When I talk about shares in the stock market, what do I mean by that? So let's say you have a very small business, let's say a lemonade business. Okay, you want to go ahead and sell lemonades for maybe 30-40 rupees a glass, and then you put up a stand right in front of your apartment, and then let's say you're able to sell and generate a revenue of 5,000 rupees every day. Okay, now the business is great because you think, okay, this is only one apartment and this is only one stand. What if I can go ahead and have 10 more of these? So you need money for that to set it up. Now you go to a bank and say that, hey, this is my lemonade stand and I want to invest. I need maybe 5 lakh rupees to go ahead and set up uh, 10 other branches. So the bank says, super risky, I will not pay you. So now what you do is that you form a company and then you say, okay, you will find, let's say, 10, 15, 20 different people. And they said, guys, invest in my business. I'll give you a part of my business. And then whenever I'm able to generate good revenue and profits, I will share the profits with you. And these guys are super enthusiastic. They've looked at your sales record and say that no problem, we will give you the money to expand the business, and you can put in 10 other stalls. Okay, so basically you're taking people's money to grow your business. Now, how does that help? It helps in growing the business. It helps in generation of employment, because if you open 10 other stores, you will hire 10 people, and then they get some benefit out of you starting a business. It also creates a sense of prosperity. Now imagine your business is going wonderfully well. Okay, from one you made 10, your profits are increasing. Now the shares that you sold for, let's say, 10 rupees per share, there are other people who are willing to buy the same share at maybe 12 rupees, because you're giving out dividends. Now when I say dividend, it is a part of the profit that you told that you will give to them. Okay, so they would say, okay, because let's say per share I'm paying 10 rupees and I'm getting a dividend of 1 rupee, I'm willing to pay 12 rupees, some other people, and I'm willing to take the dividend of 1 rupee. Okay, so technically people who invested 10 rupees and they sold at, let's say, 12 rupees, they made an outright profit of 20%. That's not bad, right? And also improves the economy, because the number of businesses open, more employment, more cash flow, and that is how the economy booms. Okay. Now, one of the best part is people can also invest passively to make additional income. So going back to the example of the lemonade, because people believed in that particular business and that business did well, now they were able to make additional 20%. Okay. In a lot of times, trading is called as gambling. Now, there is a stigma attached to trading. Okay, they say that, oh, no, 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 you shouldn't trade. You will lose all the money that you have invested and a lot of that. So that happens a lot because there is no barrier for entry in trading. What I mean by that is, if you want to trade, you want to buy and sell shares, all you need is you have to be above 18 years. Anybody can open a trading account, and then they can put in money. Okay. Now, a lot of times people come into the market for very wrong reasons. They come in to the share market to make a lot of money in a very short period of time. They come with a lot of greed. Okay. So if you go back to my example where I was able to make $120 in a span of, let's say, 30 seconds, that did not come to me overnight. I had to study a lot. I have spent at least 4 years in the markets, understanding price action, understanding how the markets work, understanding when to, buy certain shares and when not to enter the market. Okay, a lot of people do not put in the effort that is required to learn and make money in the market. So I was telling you that for a very simple job for which you get a salary of maybe 10,000-15,000 rupees initially, imagine the kind of learning that you have to go through. You have to go through school, high school, maybe a lot of times you have to study engineering for 4 years, and then finally you land in a job, or after graduation and an MBA. Okay, so stock market, I would not say is a place where you can come in. It's not a get rich quick scheme, but it is the shortest way for you to make a lot of money, as long as you have the right education and the right trading discipline. Okay, so these are some of the reasons why a lot of traders will not make money in this particular arena. They don't understand how the stock markets work. there is no proper education, because there are there is a lot of misinformation also in the industry, where not the right techniques are taught, not the right education is given, and that is one of the reasons. There is no trading discipline, which means that somebody would give in tips and say that, hey, buy this particular share, is going up, is going up. They would not know what's going on. They would not know fundamentally what's happening with the company, or there is something called as technical analysis, which we will cover in the later videos, to see, okay, how is the price behaving and how are the buyers and sellers interacting with each other. And then there is revenge trading. So they get into the market without any knowledge, and unfortunately they lose some bit of money, and then to make that money back, they trade again and then do some more, and it's a very, very vicious cycle. Okay, and then one of the rules of trading is, you have to be for a longer time and on a winning trade than on a losing trade. So a lot of times the reverse happens, which means that if they lose some money, they keep holding on to it, which increases their loss exponentially. And then if they make a little bit of profit, they go ahead and get out of the trade, unlike it should be the other ways. Okay, and there is no systematic trading plan. So imagine this: trading is like a business. Okay, if you don't have a plan to succeed, then how will you make money out of it? So for any business, you have to have a plan. There's a lot of efforts that needs to go into, and as long as you're willing to put in the time and the effort, nobody can stop you from becoming a good trader. Okay, now this is some of the reasons why a lot of traders lose money and not make money. So it's a game of skill. So if you think of any skill, be it a guitar, be it a piano, be any athletic sport, the very first day they want to try to do that, they will not get it right on the very first day. But over practice and the right knowledge, you will get there. Okay, so some of the reasons why traders lose money is they lack trading discipline. There's too much panic, which means that they get into a trade and then they see that, okay, it is going down a little, they will go and exit. I will show you some of the more examples in the next videos to see how the market fluctuates. And then there is trading against the market, which means that it is the market is going up and then they keep selling. That would not work. And there is no capital limits, which means that they get in with some amount of money and they put everything in a single stock, and then they lose all the money. And they try to recover some of their losses very, very quickly, which doesn't happen. Relying solely on tips, which means that somebody says something to go ahead and buy or sell, they go ahead and do that. They don't know what exactly is happening. And then there is poor feedback loop, which means that they don't even track their own trades to see if they're making sense or not. Okay, so this was about some basics about stock market and what is the shortest way for you to make a lot of money, which is just the stock markets. And this brings us to the social network that we're building for Indian traders. So it is called as TradeDose.com. So it's going to be India's first trader social network. It's going to be a social network for all traders. And if you're a complete newbie or a trader trying to learn, or even a very experienced trader, my suggestion is please go ahead and subscribe to the mailing list for now. And this would be like a network for connecting a lot of like-minded traders, where it's going to be like a Facebook for traders, where people can go ahead and connect with each other. And we will also bring in some industry experts who would be giving webinars. There would be courses. There's a lot of exciting stuff that's going to happen in this particular space. So please go ahead and subscribe to TradeDose.com. And also, if you like this particular video, please subscribe, like and comment and share. and we will upload a lot of videos in the near future about trading, about making money in the markets. So in the end, I would like to put in a quote. This is from my favorite author called as Napoleon Hill. So he said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve, which means that if you think you are successful, you will be. If you think you are not successful, you will never be. Okay. So that's all. That's all that I had for today's video. I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching.